If you're doing a really long road trip, I don't mean just one to the cottage or a few hours, but the kind we've been doing across the country, whether it's the Trans-Canada or Route 66, keep in mind, anyone in the back seat's kind of trapped there, especially if they're little kids and they're in car seats. They literally can't move around. The further you are away from this steering wheel, the more the people around you should have a vote in where you stop, which should be frequently. They want to see the world's biggest ball of string, so you know what? Say yes. My dad never said yes. We had to make good time. Good time is a thing to get you from A to B, but good time is how you enjoy it as you're going on the trip. Your kids should have their bed pillows with them. Put a whole bunch of pillowcases on them so you can take them off and they're fresh every time they go. Ziploc bags. There's nothing that can't be contained in a Ziploc bag. If you pass somewhere where they can go for a swim, go for a swim. Put the wet bathing suits in a Ziploc bag. It works good. If someone barfs, put it in a Ziploc bag and you'll be fine. The most fun, it seriously is about how you get there. It's not just the fact that you actually get there. At the end of each drive day, clean the garbage out of your car is a good thing to do. Have everyone have a little pack that's accessible to them that has things they need immediately so you don't have to keep unpacking big suitcases. If you're camping, which is cool, and you're going campground to campground, throw a hotel in once in a while just so everyone can kind of reset and, have a decent shower and get back on track. Again, these are long road trips. If you're on the road for days and days and days, everyone needs a little bit of normalcy. Everyone's diet will be off. Encourage them not just to eat at the fast food places. They're cheap and they're fast, but you know what? It doesn't always do a great number on your body. And probably the most important thing is as these places you're passing through, there's people in these places. Route 66 has taught us that. A lot of really great places have been cut off. Go down off the road most traveled, show your kids what Canada or the US or wherever you are used to be like, and find those people. You'll get some great stories and your trip will be a lot better.